In this video, I'm going to show you how you can improve your internal linking structure on your website to improve your SEO. And the best part about what I'm going to be showing you is it's incredibly easy, it's incredibly quick, and it's going to make a huge difference for your website. So if you haven't already, then don't forget to press the subscribe button below. It really helps the channel out. Let's get started. When you mention internal linking and creating an internal linking structure, sometimes it can sound a little bit complicated at first, but it's really quite straightforward. The trick is understanding what it means when someone clicks on an internal link and where exactly that person will end up in relation to the original page. The best way to show you is to demonstrate what I want to go through. So let's jump into the computer and go through the plugin that I want to show you. So we're now into the computer and we're into the dashboard of Linkwisp, which is the plugin that I want to go through today. So just quickly, if you don't already know what an internal link is, it's basically a page on your website pointing towards another page. An external link, on the other hand, is a link on your page pointing towards an external website. So there's quite a difference between the two, basically opposite. So let's jump into this bit. This is the dashboard. So it's crawled 186 pages on the website, which is how many pages we've got, and then it's found 963 links, so a mix of all different types of links, and there's 343 internal links, 118 orphan pages. So an orphan page is when there's no pages linking to it on the website, which is bad, which we want to cut down on if possible. So within this, what we want to do is if it's a page that basically build links to, you might want to no index that. If it's a really low quality page that you don't really need, again, no index it, or if you can, delete it. Otherwise, go through this plugin and try to build links with it. Broken links, it's when you're trying to navigate to another page, fire an internal link and it doesn't work. And the same also goes for external links as well. So if you're linking to an external source and they've deleted the page or changed the URL without setting up a redirect, then that can be a broken link as well, which isn't good for you. So just bear that in mind. This plugin sorts that out for you. Before considering building an internal linking structure, it's important that all the links that you use are contextual. So make sure that you're linking to other pages that make sense. So for example, like for us, we've got the service pages, and then under that we've got pillar content, and then under the pillar content we've got other articles that supplement that, which supplement the pillar content, and then that pillar content supplements the service pages, which the service pages are the ones that make us money, the ones that we're interested in ranking the most. So it's important to structure it like that. I'll put a diagram on screen on how you should be structuring your website, just so you've got a visual representation. So here is some more of the settings. So I'll just quickly hover over them. So this is the section we're going to go into. Auto linking, so we can basically put in keywords and then it automatically links whenever you type that or mention it in your article. I wouldn't really recommend that, or not for me anyway. I like to have that manual control over it. Target keywords, you probably want to leave that. The URL changer, again, leave that. And then settings in here, it's just the basic stuff. Just a quick side note, this isn't a free plugin. There may be a free plugin, but it's not a very expensive plugin. You just pay an annual fee and then you're good to go. This plugin is also available on Shopify as well for e-commerce stores, and also, this plugin works incredibly well with WooCommerce, which is great. So there's something in here that you want to set up. So if you're using external links, then what you want to do is open these in a new tab. Again, great for user experience, keeps people on the website. And then it's got a big list here of words that are being ignored, which again is great, like common words. Okay, so we just save that. So like once you get more advanced, once you get more content, once you get more into the plugin, you can go through the advanced settings, but I want to keep this, short and sweet if possible. Okay, so what I want to do first is I want to show you two cases that you'd use this plugin. So first, I'm going to look at some services that we can try and improve. So let's just take a look in this. And then after I've showed you the services, what I want to do is go through and show you some blog articles that we can try and improve to hopefully try and improve the ranking in Google. So let's try and find some of our top service pages. So our service pages over the years, we've tried to get as many internal links as possible pointing towards them. So I'll just sort the inbound links. So social media marketing is at the top. This is because obviously we've wanted to rank that page for a long time. Same with web design, same with SEO, and we write around these topics. But some of the newer pages, some of the newer services don't have as many internal links, which is something that we want to change. So especially the more new pages. So if we just go into this one here, There's only 3. So if we add them here. So this is the preferred way that I do it. So I just come in this way, but you can also click on the page or the post, and then while you're going through editing it, you can hyperlink text to go elsewhere. So it's got no suggestions. So what you do is just come to target keywords and then add custom keywords. So this page is about e-commerce PPC. So PPC, we can add that one. Is there anything else? Nope. So we've added them in here, and then we just click here, and hopefully it's got some more suggestions. Okay, so here we've got some blog posts and there's some service pages as well, but it's going to pick up cases where pay-per-click advertising has been used. So in here, we've got the digital marketing glossary. So this should make sense. So this is a mention of PPC. Okay, yeah, so for me that makes sense. If they don't make sense to you, then you can always go in and edit the sentence a little bit. And then the great thing about this is you can like literally just click on it here and then change it so it makes sense. So if I just wanted PPC, then I can do that. So what I'm going to do is just click here and of course stop paying for PPC advertising. Yep, I want to add that. And then that's on the main PPC page. So yeah, I'd probably do that. And then PPC management. And then put that for that. And then I'll probably stay away from those pages. Just because on the about page, we're talking about general PPC. A little bit more. Okay, so if we add these, so hopefully this will help move the needle a little bit in terms of search engines crawling the site and helping users locate to other relevant pages. Okay, so these links have been added successfully. Okay, so let's go through an Orphan page, so a page that hasn't got any links pointing towards it. So if we just go to the dashboard quickly here and then click Orphan pages, we'll have a breakdown of pages that haven't got any links pointing towards them, unfortunately. Okay, let me just have a quick look. Let's sort them like this. Okay, so let's go for this one. So 10 tips to increase the conversion rate of your Shopify store. Doesn't look like we've added any keywords to it, but it has found some, which is great. So we've got increased conversion rate. There's no mention of Shopify. Okay, so we'll add Shopify. Let's see if there's any more suggestions. Got that, we got a Shopify store. Okay, so those have been added. Okay. And if we just load it up again, it will come up with some more suggestions, hopefully. Okay, another good thing about this plugin, another thing to keep you on track with linking to pillar content and relevant content, is the feature here. So only show link suggestions in the same category as this post. I only show link suggestions in the same tag as this post. So again, it keeps it within the same like strand of information. So that's good to know and good to do. Like, it's a good practice to follow. So the Shopify conversion rate we've got here, so we don't really want to touch the what's it called, service pages in this instance. We've got this page here, so I'll add this one. Okay, so it looks like these are the links that I'll be adding. So I think I mentioned it before, it's quite easy to go through, write an incredible blog, do the meta title, meta description, but then forget to go through and add the internal links, which can really make a big difference. So what I'd recommend, get this plugin, write a blog, add internal links to it, and then see how it works for you. Hope this video has helped you. If you haven't already, then don't forget to press the subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.